cut it on real quick. Like heat.
Well, that sounds like your condenser fan motor's not running.
Sounds like the fan isn't running.
It's on the very tip top.
I got a bigger ladder if you need one.
Yeah, I probably need one. All right, go get me some electricity off of this rascal. I believe you got a bag capacitor.
I don't know where.
Still kicking. Just the motor's not running for whatever reason. She's running.